Alright, you want to make a small wood stove? Let's do it. Okay, body is heavy duty steel pipe. This is 1/4 inch. And the reason I did this is for efficiency. This is a low volume, as in low feedstock or low fuel usage, high efficiency. And the way I've achieved this is through this thick body. Heat is never lost, it's only exchanged. And it's exchanged as radiative energy. So the longer you can retain it in the vessel, the more efficient the stove is going to be. So this is going to be very low volume. And so this is steel pipe. It's welded with a plate on the back, welded on legs, which is just a T. There's holes in the legs so you can mount it to the surface. And the overdraft pipe is 1 1/4 inch black pipe flange with the black pipe. I just put the short one in there for a demo. You're going to actually use a long length threaded in right up to your exhaust body, which will be on the roof of your ice shack or deer blind or whatever you're using this in, small garage. And you could very easily drill or weld a plate here for cooking small amounts of food or heating up coffee as well. Overfire and underfire draft is permanently set, and I'll show you that in a minute. I want to show you this door. So this is an insert that I put right in, and it's bolted in. I got my door. See my previous stove making videos. If you want to learn how to make the door properly, it must absolutely be tight so you have no smoke loss. I latch it. You want no gap there whatsoever. If you do that right, you'll never have to use any kind of sealant. Somebody said in the comments that you have to use sealant. No, if you build it right, you will never have to use any kind of sealant. Nothing will escape. Okay, let me open up my door and show you what I got going inside. And I got a steel grate, which is 2 pieces, so it's movable. So you can put them together like that in the middle for cleaning. And you would just clean this out. If this was permanently mounted, you could just use a shop vac or a small scoop. If it's not permanently mounted, you could just turn it upside down and dump out the ash. All your fuel is going to go here. Bear in mind, this stove uses very little fuel, whatever your fuel is, whether it be wood, charcoal, biochar, whatever. Okay. Let me close this and show you how I got this draft set. So, you might have noticed I got a ball valve here. That's a booster. And when you want to put in wood, you're going to open up that ball valve and boost your draft so no smoke will come back out of your face. It's a mistake a lot of people make. They don't get the underfire and overfire draft right, which needs to be equal. You don't have one bigger than the other, ever. Okay. Let's show you the overfire first. I'm going to take off this piece of demo pipe. So there's 4 holes drilled that are permanently set for the amount of draw I want, rather than just one big hole. As I said, I pre-drilled this and preset it, so I don't need to worry about that except when I want to use a booster. Here on the side, you got your booster ball valve, and then you got, so that's 1 hole, and then you got the other 3 holes, 2 big ones and 1 little one, so they're perfectly equal. And this will be more than adequate for running the stove. And I'll show you that back plate here. There's your welded back plate. And that's the whole project. I'm not going to go into every step how I made this. You can see all my previous videos where I go into breakdowns. I'm not going to do live videos of building this. I'm not into making long videos. They're excruciating tedium to me. I just wanted to show you guys how to make this. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care of you and your families. Thank you for all my subscribers. Have a nice day.